Well, g'day there traders right around the world. Thank you so much for joining me in this weekend market update. Today's date is Saturday the 23rd of August 2014. What I'll do is have a look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the S&P and also the Nasdaq as we transition into trading beginning Monday the 25th of August 2014. Now, if you have a look at my screen, this is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. What we're doing right now is that we're running back into a very important pivot point. What we are essentially doing is retesting that old resistance which we established in early July. Right now, as at the end of August, as we transition into September 2014, what the market is going to do essentially is either break out and continue the bullish trend that we have been in since breaking out above those old resistance levels, which we've struggled to do so since the beginning of 2014. We will be in the continuation of the bullish trend. That will be here around 17,173. Or in fact, what we're doing is we're setting up some form of a sideways channel, a little bit of a consolidation, and the market instead is going to roll over below 16,823. This is going to give us sort of that overall market movement, or at least an arbitrary understanding of where the market looks to be moving as we transition into September 2014. What is interesting, however, is if I have a look at the Nasdaq, you can see if I change to a weekly chart, maybe even potentially a monthly. What I'll do is a monthly instead. Is that if we go back to 2000, those old .com highs, what we are essentially doing is that we've broken above a very important resistance level up here around 4,370. The next resistance level comes in at the all-time highs which were established in 2000. This is absolutely crazy. This is going back to, year 2000. 5,105 is the next resistance level on the Nasdaq. So if we go down more so onto a daily chart, you can see that we are breaking above the most recent swing highs and that the Nasdaq has got a really good chance of actually trending higher. This is giving us some absolute stellar risk and reward trades, not only on the Qs, which is of course the momentum or the index which tracks the Nasdaq, but also some very large tech stocks, including Apple, Amazon, Baidu, Google, Netflix, not to mention stocks such as Tesla, TSLA, all-time high trades. Also Priceline, for instance. A lot of stocks anyway, or Priceline not so much, but a lot of stocks have a lot of room to run on the bullish side if in fact the trades confirm. This is of course due to the nature of where the Nasdaq is sitting at the moment. So very interesting times for the Nasdaq ahead. Finally, to conclude with, we have the S&P. The S&P has held that old support level which we were speaking about. Essentially last week we were looking for potentially a bearish rollover across all three of the markets. That didn't occur. It didn't confirm. That's fine. A lot of our trades actually triggered from our pro analysis class and were very profitable for us last week. And this week we have set up some amazing trades in that analysis class. None more so than a couple highlights which I'm not going to go into detail in this little market update. That is something for our students to obviously see as they watch those market analysis videos or those updates which I perform for them each and every weekend. So what I'll do, I'll call it even here. Have a fantastic trading week, everybody watching this analysis video. I will see you all next week as I go through some intermittent market updates and also some individual trade analysis. All the best, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great weekend. Goodbye.